basically. Yeah, all the way down to the bottom. Might even be leaking out to the bottom already.
Well, you better light it.
Yeah, might as well get it going. It's gone, dude. It's on now. I want you to light the bottom fluid right now. You got it?
It's on.
I want that mesquite to go. Yeah, good job. Is that my phone?
Yeah, take it.
Cool. All right. Thanks, Jay. Here's the first lighting of the grill. The master grill, right, Jay?
It's a big ass grill.
Here's the first lighting of the grill. Whoa, dude, there's like magic flames coming off. Like a mirror flame. This is footage here now of the grill burning off all of the machinery, like oil and stuff from manufacturing. So really just curing the grill. In a little while we'll hit it with wine and salt. Okay, this is the grill that will be keeping kosher. Shalom. This is the mesquite fire.
Kinda looks like a rifle.
It is a rifle gun. This is the gun. We're gonna start calling this barbecue Gunsmoke. This is a tri-tip. We've been definitely been marinating that in the Sriracha for about since about 7 o'clock? 6, 7 o'clock?
No.
4, 5? 5 o'clock.
Yeah, about 4 or 5.
Yeah, about 5 o'clock. Now, of course, you know me. I'll go ahead and check it with the knife, and it's the first time this grill has ever. Dude, look at this. Dude. Oh, dude, this is gonna come off really nice. You know why? Because it marinated for hours and hours, and all of these. Potato salad is so beautiful. You guys, you can't miss